What is the CPU?
The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is often called the brain of the computer because it handles instructions and calculations that make programs run. Whether you're browsing the web, playing games, or editing documents, the CPU is working behind the scenes to process data and execute commands efficiently.
How the CPU works.
The CPU works by following a cycle, fetching instructions from memory, decoding what needs to be done, and executing the proper commands. This process, known as the fetch, decode, execute cycle, allows the CPU to quickly and accurately carry out a wide range of tasks, from simple arithmetic to complex problem solving.
Core functions of the CPU.
The main roles of the CPU include performing arithmetic and logic operations, moving data between memory and storage, and controlling the flow of instructions. It acts as a coordinator, ensuring all computer components work together smoothly. This includes managing input from devices like keyboards and output to screens or printers.
Why CPU performance matters.
CPU performance directly affects how fast and smoothly your computer can complete tasks. A powerful CPU means quicker load times, faster calculations, and the ability to run multiple programs at once. Upgrading a CPU is one of the most effective ways to improve overall computer performance, especially for demanding applications.
CPU and today's technology.
Modern CPUs often have multiple cores, allowing them to process several tasks at the same time. This architecture is ideal for multitasking, gaming, and running complex software. As technology advances, CPUs continue to evolve, making computers faster, more efficient, and capable of handling increasingly complex tasks.